How to get gold notes on Instagram. If you want to add golden notes on Instagram, then this video is for you. To get the gold notes, first of all, launch Instagram application and make sure that you have login to it. Then on the top right, you will see message icon. Simply hit on that. From here, select note. Now, to get the golden notes, you have to mention 3 4 things. If you mention gold in your note, then your notes will be changed to golden. Or you can also add champion, victory, or medal, or Olympics. If you add 4 5 this thing on your notes, then your notes will be changed to golden automatically. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.